My name is Evan Hill with All Seasons Exteriors here at 550 Zhang Street in Broomfield, Colorado, doing a roof inspection of the skylights. One of the first things I noticed as soon as I started having a look is that every single one of these skylights has a tremendous amount of cracks in them, mostly starting on the corners and some worse than others, moving up into the main portion of the dome. And that's on every single corner. Kind of difficult to see, but you can see, actually you'll probably hear me even downstairs because this one is completely exposed to water, air, the elements, things like that. Obviously that's just going to get a lot worse when we have snow and ice melt, things like that. So that's taking place on pretty much, like I said, every single skylight, all 14 of them on the roof. There's also some areas where the seals are starting to fail, just standard wear and tear. You can see it looks like somebody repaired this before in the past, and the silicone is just completely eroding away. So the problem lies in the dome itself, which actually just can't be replaced on its own. The entire unit has to be replaced, but some, like I said, worse than others, where we've got the top part of the dome just completely gone, and exposing the smaller dome underneath. So these are meant to actually just kind of shield UV rays, heat, things like that from getting in there, but because of the cracks here, it's allowing water underneath that right there, and that's running down, obviously, through the skylight and through potential cracks, actually in all places, into the actual area beneath. So every single one, I don't need to show you all of them, but you can see pretty much all of them have majority of damage. Again, just kind of wear and tear, potentially some of them incorrectly installed, where maybe it's putting a little bit of undue pressure in certain areas. But like I said, pretty much all of them have that same issue where the top UV layer of the dome is completely cracked, damaged, and has to be replaced. So my professional opinion is you definitely need to replace all 14 of these skylights. You can even see there's some moisture trapped within this one right here from all the cracks there, and that's what's causing the leaks below. While we're up here, I'd say that probably also we should clean out your scupper drains. That's something that we can just do for you free of cost if we were doing the skylight, because a lot of sediment, pine cones, different things have collected here, and that's going to cause a bigger problem in the future where water buildup is going to start deteriorating this portion of the roof.